Hey guys, Fried Rice Warrior here. I kind of took apart my computer. And this is the main core of my setup, and using a Lego wrench here. See if I can get this part out. Yeah, this is an update on my setup. I'm willing to upgrade the hard drive and maybe the RAM. I have to get the motherboard out. I will get back to you once I do that. Alright, I'm back. Here's the update. Got all 10 screws off the motherboard. Here's the problem. There's screws for the backside. Here's the screws for the battery. There. Yeah, I resorted to toy cars and Lego to hold the screws. Keyboard. Okay. I'm trying to get this motherboard off because that right there is the SSD and RAM. I'll update you when I get back. Fried Rice Warrior out. Alright, mission complete. Mission complete. Now all you gotta do is put the motherboard back in. Because now I checked my SanDisk. Like, there, that thing. Now all I gotta do is put this thing back together now. And then I'll go back to Best Buy, ask them what's compatible with what I can interchange with that one. And I'm good. Now I can record better videos. Fried Rice Warrior, over and out. Reassembly is happening as I speak. So I got that in. This thing is so old. Look at it. Final gunky. I'm gonna upgrade the RAM and SSD on this thing, so maybe I'll get maybe 5 gigs, 500 gigs, maybe a terabyte, who knows. Now I think I gotta, yes, I gotta get all the screws back in place. So let's bring my little tray. This is motherboard, right? This was motherboard, yes. Luckily I had mag tip. Everything else is magnetic in here anyways. I'm not gonna record the entire thing, alright? Well, I'll show you like one of the screws. Throw into here. First we gotta dangle it in, or go for an easier screw. So we'll take this screw right here. Stick it in. Ayo. Ayo, no way. And tighten it up. Tighten it up. Not too tight though. I want to be able to disassemble this later. I meant tomorrow. Yeah. Alright, gonna do that 9 more times. Get the battery back in. Get that back in. I'm proud of myself. I disassembled a computer. Laptop. I disassembled laptop from OMB Gaming. No way. Alright, Fried Rice Warrior out. Motherboard fully back in place. Wait, I think I still need that. Alright, time to get all its connections back in place. This, we won't need that. So this is a ZIF connector, or ZIF connection, so 0 insertion force. Meaning I don't have to insert any force into this, I just stick the cable in the hole. I just close the door on it like that, yeah. Same for this one. This one's also Ziff. Just a bit longer. But it's not hard. Not hard to do though. And I'm extremely gentle with this. Yeah, see, I was so gentle there wasn't even a click noise. Damn it. Accidentally trapped one of the cables underneath. We just gotta boink the motherboard back out now. I'll update in like another hour or so. Battery's going in. I know exactly where this goes. Not dumb. If you wanna, how you wanna do this is slide it in so it connects up with those. So, however, there are these pins. There's this pin, this little locker pin, that's what I'll call it for now, that doesn't let you slide it in easy. You kind of gotta pull it out, put it back in, stuff like that. So, yeah, other than that, reassembly of this thing is easy. Now I know how to disassemble and reassemble this thing. Let's go. The final screws. Oh my gosh. Once I upgrade my... Yeah, when I upgrade my RAM, like an SSD tomorrow, I'm gonna have a field day with that. At least I'll have some experience going into my computers class next semester. Yes, I was filming this on Monday, but that's because semester completion. I don't have to go to school because I'm not failing. I not fail because I am big brain. I am so smart for my own good that sometimes I even scare myself. Sometimes my genius, it almost scares me. I forgot where that was from, but I know it was from somewhere on the internet. But let's just get them out of my toy truck. Yes, I was using toy trucks, toy cars, toy Jeep. That's a Roblox toy Jeep. I don't know where I got this from. I had this since I was like a little child. Well, now you somewhat know how to upgrade a Pavilion X360. No, not really. Just look it up on YouTube. That's how I did this. I got through this semester with YouTube and games only. Oh yeah, and music. Alright, these two go in these feet. I lost a rubber foot for this one. Not like it matters, so I do have to take it off either way. And I would just yeet that off. Yeet it off. It's technically off. Just squeeze the screw. Squeeze the screw. Same thing with the other foot, just there's just a foot suction cup. No, not suction cup, like rubber with like adhesive on the bottom. Yeah. And we just spin it until it's just tight enough. I want to over tight because no over tight yet. And then the screw goes in here. That's why there's no screw in the little middle part of the motherboard. So I could get to that screw. So that screw is quote unquote missing there. actually in here. I don't know if you guys can see that. But not only am I a fried rice warrior, I'm a fried rice technician. Put the little cover back on. Flip her over. Now we flip Silva over. And I did it. I officially took a look inside my laptop just to find the hard drive and if I could upgrade the RAM. When I could have done it on a YouTube video on my sister's computer. Well, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go cry. This is the tools I used. Screwdriver, flat, one small Phillips, one small flathead, pack of 5 gum, and a larger flathead. 2 Lego pieces that you could hold screws in. That one wasn't even used. That red panel there was though. A Roblox Apocalypse Rising Jeep, and a toy pickup truck if you have. I could use my Ram Rebel, my red Ram Rebel, but didn't. Oh yeah, and you also need a Lego wrench too. Just, I don't know why. Well, thanks for watching this. I don't even know what I'll call this. I'll call this a tech vlog. Thanks for watching this tech vlog. Alright, bye. This is Fried Rice Warrior. Bye. Bye, nerds.